Everyone, Neil Carlson out here on Highway 2 between Grand Forks and Crookston at 5:30 a.m. on a Sunday morning. As advertised, it's already looks like the perfect day to stay home and stay put and off the roads. This hour in Grand Forks, what do we got? 8 degrees, wind gusts up to 36 miles per hour already. Ground blizzard conditions forecast for today. Wind gusts are expected to hit 49 miles per hour. Visibility is already down to about 30 feet out here on Highway 2. We've got drifts building up also, near whiteout conditions at times here. So, and it's plus the temperature's supposed to drop as that Arctic air moves in. What are they saying in Grand Forks? Down to 21 degrees below, 21 below this morning, or this evening. So, as you can see, we're just crawling along now. It's the perfect day to just stay home. Doesn't appear plows have been out here lately. Very tough to see. And the wind is only supposed to get worse. Ground blizzard conditions today. So wherever you're at, it's the perfect day to just stay put. Covering the Northern Valley, I'm Neil Carlson reporting for iNewZ.TV.